Hello viewers, in this section we are going to see how to click the radio button, and there is some method available that is selected, is displayed, is enabled method, or also we are going to check if how the radio button is checked or not. Okay, so this all operation we are going to see. For that we are imported Selenium WebDriver, and then we will define object for this WebDriver dot Chrome, and then we will give a driver.get. This is our web page. Okay, now once we will go to this web page, we can see this is our Apple and Mango. This is our radio button, and this is the checkbox button available. Okay, so here what we will do, we will click this operation on Apple. Okay, and we will see, first we will see what is the element locator we have. So we have inside this we have ID, that is Apple radio. So what we will do, we will just find the ID with find the element with the ID, driver dot find element by ID, and ID we will give is Apple radio. So we will store this element into the element variable, and once it is stored we will simply use the click method. Now we are going to run it. So now it is going to get opened. Okay, and now we can see the Apple radio button has clicked. So it has not closed because we didn't give the driver.close operation here. So we will give for going forward. Okay, now we have seen how to click the element. Okay, sometime what happens, we need to check if it is selected or not. So for that, what we need to do, we need to see if this element, if element dot is selected equal to true. If this is selected, then we don't want to do any operation, just give a driver dot close. Okay, if not, else we need to do element operation, element dot click operation. Okay, so let's run this one. Okay, so it is very fast. So what we will do, we will close this one and we will run again. So it has clicked. So what it is telling, enable is selected equal to true, then it will close the driver. So it has not closed. It means this statement has been passed, and then it came to the else statement and it has clicked the element. Okay, so this is how the is selected is worked. We have another method, is display. It means if the element is available, okay, available inside the HTML DOM or not. So that also we can check with the help of is displayed method. Okay, and we have is enabled as well. So suppose we have this checkbox. Sometime what happens, this is disabled. Okay, this checkbox is disabled. So and for that only check, we need to see we need to check our element is enabled or not. Okay, so when it will be disabled, we cannot do any operation. Okay, either it is manual or either it is with automation. So that's what we need to check, if the element is enabled or not. If it is enabled, then we can check it, or we can click the element. Okay, so this is how we can do operation. And the syntax or our code is the same, like is selected, we can give a element dot is displayed. Okay, and also element dot is enabled. So this is how we can do that operation. And now third one we are going to see, that is a checkbox. Okay, check radio button and checkbox are checked or not. So how we can do that? So we can do this with the help of JavaScript. Okay, so first we will come here and we'll see, come to the main page. So we will go to the console. Okay, here we can do JavaScript operation as well. Okay, so what we need to do for that, just a minute. Now document dot get element by id. We have id. Okay, we have id like for this Apple radio dot, we have it checked. Okay, if it is checked, equal to, when we give a true, then it will check the radio button. Okay, see, now it is getting a false. Why? We don't need to give it equal to because we need to just give a equal to true. We are going to pass the element. Okay, so here it is going to check, or it is going to select the sample. Same as it is, we can do for the checkbox as well. Document dot get element, document dot get element by id, and here we have IDs. We have to see what is the ID for this one. It is a Apple check. Okay, so we need to provide here Apple check dot checked equal to true. Just we did like that, equal to true, so it is passing this value true to here. Okay, and it is checking. Same it is as it is, we can do for other mango and mango radio button, mango checkbox as well. So now this is how we can do in a console, but our question is how we can going to do this with the Selenium and Python. So here first we will, so this is our element. Okay, so what we need to do, we have a driver dot execute a script. So this is for this function is taking the argument as a JavaScript argument. Okay, so here we can do same thing what we were doing. Okay, so same copy paste we can do. First let's see this one. Okay, so this is how we can do, okay, our operation. Okay, we need to give a return here, document.get element by id apple dot checked equal to true, so it will it is going to click this up radio button. Okay, so this is how you can check. And when we want to, if we want to unselect it, let's see if it is unselecting or not. Okay, F capital I have given. It will not work. It's fine. I will terminate this one. So remember that F capital is taken by the Python, but F small is taken by the JavaScript. So we need to carefully define this. Okay, it's very fast, so we need to give a sleep time here. Okay, 3 seconds is fine. To import a okay, we have seen that it has clicked and it has unclicked as well, radio button. So this is how we can do with the help of JavaScript here. And in today's session this is all. Okay, and we will see next session on the next video. Thanks for watching this.